Conversation between two friends about the mail.
Hey, Jack. Hey, Scott. What are you doing on computer? Just reading mail. Okay. Did you get the mail yet? Yes. I picked it up this morning. There were a few bills and a letter from my mother. There was also a lot of junk mail. Was there anything for me? I don't remember. Let me check. Yes. It looks like there's something here for you. Who's it from? The American Embassy. My hands are dirty. Will you open it for me? Sure. What does it say? It says, your passport is ready. You can pick it up anytime. Do you think you can drive me there? Sure. When? I think we should go to get it now. I am going to wash my hands. And then we will go. Is that okay? That's fine.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos.